Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Justynn. I'm gonna open it at the Poké Ball.
Yay!
Do you open it?
Sure.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Twins like us. Can I put scissors?
It's right there. I put the scissors right there for you.
Yes, scissors.
You're the new rock star?
Yes.
Wow. Rock on. There's a lot of tape, huh? Ooh. It brings a bell too. Wow, that's a nice Pokeball.
Here it is, Pokéball.
Yeah.
Here's Pikachu.
Pikachu. And your belt.
A suitcase. Put it in the trash.
Okay. Let's put this on the side. Okay.
A luxury ball.
Who's inside?
Luxury ball.
Oh, that's the luxury ball?
What's this?
The luxury ball?
Yeah.
Oh. I didn't know that. It does look like luxury.
It is luxury.
Okay. And where's Pikachu? He escaped? There he is. Okay. He's gonna go in the luxury ball and the regular one.
A regular one.
Oh, okay. What do you think he's gonna do inside? What he's gonna do in there? Whoa. Justynn. Justynn. What is Pikachu doing inside the Poké Ball? What is he doing?
You gotta open it.
Oh my god, what is he doing?
Pikachu. She's Pikachu.
You think Pikachu is a boy or a girl?
Girl.
He's a girl? I'm really not sure. What is he?
Here's a Pikachu.
Or her? Yeah. We gotta investigate. He's gonna go into the luxury ball now. Which one is your favorite, Justynn?
Luxury.
Oh, okay.
Hey, good, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And we got a luxury ball. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.